इसे अचानक रोक दिया गया।
He was placed suddenly on hold. He was placed suddenly on hold.
वो खुद को काबू करने में कामयाब हो गई।
She managed to compose herself. She managed to compose herself.
इन्हें यकीन नहीं था कि उसका क्या मतलब है।
They were unsure what it meant. They were unsure what it meant.
वो दोस्ताना लहजे में बोला।
He spoke in a friendly tone. He spoke in a friendly tone.
मैंने इसे प्रिंसिपल के हवाले कर दिया।
I handed it over to the principal. I handed it over to the principal.
वो मुखालिफ सिमत भागी।
She ran off in the opposite direction. She ran off in the opposite direction.
आवाजें बुलंद और साफ सुनाई दे रही थी।
Voices were heard loud and clear. Voices were heard loud and clear.
इसने जल्दी से उसे दबा लिया।
He quickly suppressed it. He quickly suppressed it.
मैं खाने से रुक नहीं सकता था।
I could not resist the food. I could not resist the food.
वो जंगल में दाखिल हुई और मुस्कुरा दी।
She stepped into the forest and smiled. She stepped into the forest and smiled.